Alright, talking back to properties of equality, now we're going to jump into the multiplication property. So we're going to talk about multiplying to get our answer. So what we have to first know is that A equals B. Alright, and so to know that, we know that AC equals BC. For everybody that doesn't know, when you have two variables like that together, it means you're multiplying them. So A times C equals B times C. Again, don't get too caught up by the lettering. Let's take a look at an example, and that'll make more sense. So an example here would be x over 5 equals 7. Well, if we look back at our formula here, we know that we need to multiply by something here. So we're going to multiply by our c. So for here, we're trying to solve for x. So what are we going to multiply by? Well, we need to get rid of this 5 here. We're dividing by 5. So let's multiply by 5 to get rid of this 5. So we're going to multiply both sides here by 5. You multiply by your denominator to get your numerator by itself. So 5 times x over 5, those cross out and you're left with x. 7 times 5 equals 35. Well, we know that x equals 35, right? Well, how do we prove that? How do we know that this is true? Well, again, this is the answer, but just to kind of prove that we know that a equals b, we're going to plug in 35 for our x. So we go back to our original equation and say 35 over 5 equals 7. All I did was plug in 35 for x here. So we know that 35 over 7 equals 7. And the 7 over here doesn't change. So is that true? Does A equal B? Yes, it does. So x equals 35. Has to work.